Good morning. I hope you're doing great. Some people might confuse communication for speaking. Communication is broader. It has nonverbal activities that people can do, hand and body gestures to convey the meaning. Speaking is particularly the act of producing sound to people to understand you. But for people to understand you, you have to have communication. So if you're learning English, don't focus on speaking in particular, but focus more on communicating ideas. Communicating ideas is much easier for you to understand because that's not going to get you stuck on the speaking level of just thinking about this word that I should say, or this word that I should avoid, this word that is formal, or this word that is not formal. So the act of communication is more of a human instinct. Sometimes, even if you don't understand a particular language, you still have the idea that you can convey through communication with hands, with eyes, with mouth, with body to convey the message. So part of learning loop of language is to focus on conveying the ideas through communication and not particularly through speaking or perfecting your accent or your dialect of a particular region in the world.